Before you begin, remove the access panel. Removal. Pinch the blue release latch on the storage drive assembly door and open the door to partially eject the assembly. Grasp the edge of the storage drive carrier and slide the storage drive assembly out of the chassis. Flex the plastic guide rails and remove the pins from the screw holes in the storage drive. Remove the storage drive. Replacement. Flex the plastic guide rails and slide the pins into the screw holes in the storage drive. Align the plastic guide rails with the slots in the storage drive cage. Slide the storage drive assembly into the storage drive cage until the storage drive assembly is fully seated. Close the storage drive assembly door.